So this section will be about how to run an advert. Everything we've done so far, the connection, the landing page, and the TikTok pixel thing we've done so far. I'll be telling you how to implement it and actually run your advert. And I mean, this is the section we've all been waiting for. Good. Now, anytime you want to run an advert, right? Anytime you want to run an advert, make you find your way to this campaigns page. Do you get? Find your way to this campaigns page. Do you understand? Now click on campaigns and look at this green button, this green create button. Click on it. Click on this create button anytime you want to create an advert. Do you understand? Now we've done this thing before. I don't know why it's still showing. This switch to full version, please click on it again and switch to full version. Click on confirm. Switch to full version always. Do you understand? So now anytime you want to run an advert and you click on that create button, you'll be passing through three stages. The first stage is displays. Do you understand? They will be asking you your goal for the advert. Like, what do you want? Please, we have several options here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, the purpose of this course is the landing page thing, how to use it to generate good results. So, I will not be making any comment on the other options, but the lead generation, since that is what we'll be using for this landing page stuff. Do you understand? Now, the lead generation. Now, we have the manual campaign and we have the smart campaign. Do you get? Now, um now let me explain the difference between these two and when I personally use each of them. Do you understand? This manual campaign, let's say you are just starting out to run your adverts and the algorithm does not even know that your kind of person, does not know the kind of advert you run. Please always use manual campaign first. Do you get? So that is what I do. I will use manual campaign will give you the chance to set your adverts yourself, to set the targeting, the age range, and everything yourself. But if you choose the smart campaign, TikTok is going to be the one to suggest. They will take your video and your caption and everything, and they will, or your page content, and they will use that data to suggest your content to people they think will engage your content. Do you understand? So that is what smart campaign does. But personally, I'll start with manual campaign. After I've done the manual campaign for days and I see that I'm getting good results, by that time I'll be confident enough that yes, the algorithm now knows the kind of advert I run. And if I choose smart campaign, it will be able to suggest to the right people and not just some random people. So that's how I do my thing. So for now, I'll be going with the manual campaign. Do you get? Now the campaign name, you can give it a name you want. Just name it anything you want at all. Do you understand? Now I'll be leaving this. I don't get that time. Click on continue. This green button here. Click on continue. Now, I said we'll be passing through three stages. We've done the first stage, which is that lead generation. Now, this is the second stage. We call it add group. Do you understand? Now, remember what we are using is that website landing page. Good. Look at this location. Change it to website. Change it to it will automatically select instant form for you. No grid. Change them to website. Do you understand? Now scroll to the down part. Scroll to the down part, and this goal always click conversion anytime you want to run your adverts. Even if you want to try out other things yourself. I know I'm not explaining all these things, but in case you want to try them out and test them, there's no harm in testing. You can test out any option you are seeing on this ads manager and see if it works for you. Do you get? But I'm not going to deviate from the purpose of this course. Do you understand? So we are using a landing page. That is what I'm teaching here. Now use website. And this goal, like I said, always pick conversion. If you select click, TikTok will just show your advert to people that will just click your advert. They don't care if they engage or not. They will just show your advert to people that will click and they will go away. Do you understand? But if you pick conversion, TikTok will make sure these are people that are likely to convert. Do you get? So always select conversion. Now this data connection. Remember this OCS group that we created at that event manager site. The name that I named my own. This is it. During your and it's showing active. Do you get? While doing your own, any name where you give them, if na whatever name you give it, maybe Abrikes collection group, now you go see here. The name I gave my own is OCS group, and that is what is showing here. And in front of it, you can see active. If your own is not showing active, then you probably did not do that correction right. Then connection right. Something is wrong. Just go back to the last stage and go and fix it. Do you understand? So make sure it's showing active. Then the next one is the optimization event. Select it and select complete registration. Do you get the landing page you got? This setting is automatically there. Anytime someone fill the form or click any button on your landing page, it will always tell TikTok that someone just completed registration. So click on complete registration. If your own is showing blank, it's not showing this complete registration active. Something is wrong in your connection. So make sure you go and fix it. Do you get? Good. Now that we are done with this, scroll to the down part, scroll to the down part, scroll to the down part. Ignore every other thing. Like I said, it's just the important things I'm talking about. All these ones, you don't need them. Now the location. We have different range of countries you can target. Do you understand? Even though they are limited countries. We don't get UK here, we don't get USA. This TikTok safe. But you can target different range of countries here. Do you understand? My own target market is always Nigeria, so I always use Nigeria. If you have a country in mind that you want to target out of this list available on the TikTok Ads Manager, please feel free to use them. And TikTok is going to target that country for you. Do you understand? So, um, okay. Now, my own, I'll be selecting Nigeria only. Do you get? Now, for this age range, one thing I always advise people is, you see this 18 to 24, 13 to 17 or something, avoid it. TikTok will just be showing your adverts to people that are underage or people that look like bandits or people that are not even serious. Do you understand? In your own mind, you might feel like the people I want to sell to, they are within this 18 to 24. So why did you ask us to not select it? Don't worry about that. Just don't select this 18 to 24 below. Because TikTok will just be showing your advert to irrelevant people and you waste your money. But there's no harm in trying, like I'll say. If you want to, if you feel it's going to do well, then go for it and test if it will work for you. But from my own experience, do not select them. Now, in most cases, only select 25 to 34. In most cases, only select 25 to 34. But if you want to, maybe you want to try out more, then go for 35 to 44 and above. But generally, I always advise 25 to 34 only. Even though one important thing you need to notice, even though you are selecting 25 to 34, TikTok will still show your advert to people outside that range. Do you get? So that is why I said this age thing is not necessary. It's not necessary at all. Do you understand? Now for the gender, pick any gender you want to target. If it's male you want to target, pick it. If it's female, pick it. If it's all of them, pick it. So me, I'll be picking all. The language, if you have any language in mind, play around with the languages. Do you understand? So the high spending power, I don't use this option because it's very narrow and your cost per click will be very high if you use this option. The high spending power is just TikTok. You are telling TikTok that show my advert to people that have the ability to that can pay for what I do, especially if your service or your what you sell is extremely expensive. For instance, maybe people in real estate or something. But if you're a normal regular seller, now you sell things that are regular, don't use this option. Don't use this option. Do you get? Just use all. Do you understand? So now for this, um, audience, ignore, ignore. Now for the interest, click on this box, click on it, and please, generally, I'll be giving you advice based on general things that I've done. Generally, only select this interest I'll be showing you. Do you understand? Select this interest I'll be showing you. Do you get? Generally, like I said, e-commerce, non-app, tech and electronics. Then which other one? Life services, education, apps. Which other one? Business service, news and entertainment, and apparel and accessories. Do you get? Now go to purchase intention. You see, say we dey under interest. Go to purchase intention and select these ones I'll be showing you. Education, news and entertainment, life services. Which other one? Which other one? Tech and electronics, e-commerce non-app, apps, apparel and accessories, business services. Now these things I've selected, they are not just random. I've done adverts severally over and over and over again. You see these things I selected, they just be like general things. If you want to target anybody at all, use these things I gave you. Now, after selecting all these ones I mentioned, if you, let's say what you said is bags, you can now add interest in your own niche. Do you understand? After selecting all these things where I don't give you, if you want to add extra interest depending on what you sell, please feel free to do it. Just use this search box. You see this search box that my arrow is pointing to. Click on it and search for what you do. Let's say bags is what you're selling. Now you can now be selecting everything: shoulder bag, travel bag, makeup bag. Select it. If what you say is Bond Street, search am here and select it. Do you get? But you see all these first set of things I selected, please use them. It's going to make your adverts convert well. Do you get? So that's my opinion on this interest. Do you understand? Select these ones that I gave you, and you can now add things in your own, and you can now add more interest based on what you do. Just use the search box and search for what you do. Add as many as possible interest depending on what you do. If what you're selling is cake, search for cake and put it. If what you're selling is whatever, whether it's a physical product or digital product, search for it and add it in the interest. After adding those ones that I gave you initially, do you get? Are we on the same page? Good. Now these devices, you can play around with these devices. I don't use any of these things. I just leave them as they be. Take be. Do you get? Now for the budget, enter the budget you want to do every day. Do you understand? Now for this budget, my personal recommendation is don't go and be, if you have plenty money, save your money. How advert works, don't go and be spending money anyhow. Even if you have big money, calm down, calm down, calm down. You will still spend big money. Do you get? Now for this budget, my recommendation is between 3,000 to 5,000 daily. Daily. Do you understand? Let's say you're running, in fact, 3,000. You get 3,000 to 5,000 daily. Do you understand? So spend that, and that is just my recommendation. If you want to play around with other prices, feel free to. But my own recommendation is this. Do you get? Now for this schedule, after you've entered your budget, for this schedule, let's say you want to continue running your adverts, pick this first option. I mean, it has already been automatically picked. Let's now say you just want to run your advert for 5 days. Now pick the second option instead. This set start and end time. You'll be the one to set when it's going to start in this first box. This first box, you'll be the one to click when it's going to start, and you set the date and the time. And in this last box, you're going to select when the advert is going to end. You select the time too. Do you understand? But generally, I use this first option because me, I know they off my adverts. Do you get? So we are done with that. Once you're done, just click on continue. One thing I'm going to advise is always make sure you are active. Anytime you are running adverts, always be online. Not be only your adverts they show for people FYP. Other people adverts they show. So if you are not active while you're running your adverts, those people will, the same way they click your ads, they go click another person's ads too. And if that one first you message them or reply to them, you don't lose that person. Now you'll be wondering that your advert is not working, whereas you are the one not online. So always make sure while running adverts you are active and online and you're responding as fast as possible. Do you get? Good. Now let's go to the next stage. Click on continue. When you click on continue, you'll be taking us to the third stage. Now this third stage is where we are going to select the advert. This third stage we are going to select the advert, the video you will use for your advert. Now on this third stage, you can give it a name if you like. Me, I'm not naming it, I'll just leave it the way it is. Now you see this page where they wrote add creative, add videos or images. Click on it. Do you get? Now if you check this top side, you see one they wrote TikTok posts and the other one they wrote creative library. Do you get? Now let me explain the two. This TikTok posts, this one is going to show all the posts you have on your TikTok page. Remember the TikTok account that you logged into when we were entering this ads manager. It's going to bring out all the posts from that page and it's going to show everything here. Now you can select any of the posts. So this is basically saying anytime you want to run adverts, go and post on your TikTok account first. Then after posting, it's going to show here and you can now select it to run adverts on it. Are we on the same page? Now this creative library, it's means you uploading your video directly from the ads manager instead of your page. You can see this place. Look at this button, upload. So you just upload your video straight from here. Do you understand? Instead of uploading on your page, you will upload it here and it's not going to show on your page. So you be the one to decide. But personally, what I use is this TikTok post. For this landing page thing we are doing, just use TikTok post. Do you understand? After selecting, let me just select the video. After selecting the video, click on confirm and the video is going to show here. Can you see the preview? This is how it's going to show to people that want to run adverts. You can see the preview. Good. Now there's something here. Look at this button, this pink button here. This is the what we call click to can be call to action. Sorry, call to the button that people will see whenever they see your adverts. Now we are going to edit it. You see this call to action here. Click on it. Now look at all the names that you can give your button. We have plenty names. Now depending on the kind of advert you're running, remove any name that you know it does not fit into your kind of advert. Do you understand? For instance, now this video I selected is a crypto advert, and I'm just telling people to go and download one app. Do you get? Now, this visit us today, I don't need them. Call us now, I don't need them. Get started, I don't need them. Start yours today. Just play around with this button and select the one depending on the kind of advert you're running. Do you understand? Good. You can select more than 3, 4, 5. You can select everything if you want, but please select the only thing that relates to what you do or the kind of advert you're running. Do you get? Now, look at this place, destination. Anything we are not talking about is not useful. Just ignore. Do you get? Now, look at this URL. That is already selected. Do you get? Now, this place where they wrote enter URL. You will now go and copy that your link, that your landing page link from MyTikLink. Do you understand? Where is it? Where is it? This is my landing page link. I'm going to copy it and go back to that page. Where is the page again? Okay. Now I'm going to paste it here. Do you understand? So after doing this, click on publish all and you're done with your advert. Click on publish all and you're done with your advert. It's going to post the advert, and within 5 to 20 minutes they are going to approve your adverts. And one thing is, after they approve your adverts, just calm down. Results will not start coming immediately. You have to calm down. I mean, within few hours people will now start engaging your adverts. The first few hours TikTok will be using it to show people small. It will be showing people little by little to know that okay, this is the kind of person that will like your advert. That is why you will not see instant results. So just chill for a few hours after they approve your advert and you will start getting your results. I hope we are clear and we're on the same page. Good.